To turn off the Google News feed in Android. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the Google News feed in your Android. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, go to your Google and you will see an interface like this. So now you can see that my news feed is enabled, so you can see all the news feed right here. Now if I want to disable it, then what I can do is tap on the profile section on the top right side. After that, you need to tap on the setting option. Scroll down and down, and then you will see the very option of other settings here as well. Tap on the other sections. Now you will see the discover option right here. So this is enabled, that's why the news feed is able being just shown in my news feed. So if I don't want to see the news feed on my Google, then I can just disable it. Doing this, I will not be able to see the news feed on my Google. So if you want to enable it, you can enable and disable if you don't want to see it. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.